There's the juice. Today we're going to bring in a juicer. If you guys can see it, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. Now, just to let you guys know, the actual vendor was kind enough to send this to actually evaluate. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. All right, here's the total package that you get. You get the actual motor system, all right? You get the actual, this is actually to push down the actual vegetables or whatever it is you're gonna grind. A cleaning brush, a little cover. You can see instructions, how to remove it, how to clean it. A top for the, so it won't spill over. And this is actually a tool to remove the actual back end of the actual grinder part of it, right? So we're gonna put it together and mock it up and see how to remove the stuff and how to clean it, because this one has instructions how to clean it. It's very simple. It's a lot less difficult than other machines I've seen. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up first. Let's set it up first. Now, if you guys can see, here's the actual main system, all right? And it comes with a tool. Now, it's a little slippery. You could do it with your hand if you can, but if you can't, you could use this too. Wait, it's only one way, all right? Once you do it, you open it up, all right? Push up, and this thing comes off, all right? The cap. And this is where all the grind's gonna be at, so you're gonna have to maybe clean it up. This is stainless steel. It's also dishwasher. You could put it in the dishwasher if you want. And then this other piece, this is the actual main motor part that you need to clean it up, because you might have some grind or something in there that, you know, it's gonna clog it up. So simple to put it back, just clicking in there. This goes right over it, all right, right over it, and then you lock it in, all right? And this you have to twist, but you have to twist the other way back. So you twist the other way back, and that's how it gets stays fixed, if you guys notice that, right? Now, to put it in there in the system is very simple. Just find the actual system and lock it in, all right? Once you lock it, you have to hold down the button and there's a button here. There's a button here, and this actually to release it too and to lock it in, all right? So once it's there, it won't come off until you release the button, all right? And then there's actually a picture in here that's locked, all right? Once you have that in there, you have to set up the trays. The larger one, they give you two little trays, if you guys can see it. The larger one goes in the back. So that's how it's gonna do it. Now, you have this pusher here. It's actually gonna be pushing down the actual food down, right? If you want to, it's an option to put it in there in the top. This actually goes in the top if you want. Make sure that if you put any strawberries or grapes or anything in there, you don't want it to fall, you could put a handful of them and just throw them in there and push it down. That's pretty much how it works. You got a on button, neutral button, and then you got a reverse button. The reverse is very important if you get something stuck in there, but we're going to turn it on so you guys can see the motor running, and it beeps once. And if you come in here, you can see the actual motor pushing anything that you put in there, right? So, all right, for the first time using it, we're going to do 1 carrot. I'm going to open it up first, and I'm going to do this one right here. It's a little fair carrot, all right? And we're going to grind it to see if how much pulp that comes out and how much juice does it come out. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Push it in. There's the juice. That's out of 1 carrot right now. You guys can see that. This is to clean it up too. You guys can see that. Don't want to use your finger in there, just clean it up. And then we hit neutral button. Grab the juice. And drink it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, not that bad. Let's go ahead and do some more. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start and do a race with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it on. All right, we're gonna start our engines. And then we're gonna go ahead. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. It grinds it. It grinded faster on that side, but here, we're gonna see if we get more juice out of it, so. And let's find out. Let it finish completely. And we're gonna go ahead and stop All right, let's go ahead and review what we have. Here, try it out. All right, there's the results, guys. It looks more concentrated. That means you're gonna get more of the vitamins in here, a little bit more juice out of it than the other one. The mock-up's pretty good. I actually enjoyed that. It's a little quieter, it's slower, but you actually get more out of it. So, and it's easier to clean than the second one. This is what you guys get out of it, all the pulp, if you guys can see it dripping. And look at this one compared to it. It's all everywhere and not that much. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be harder to clean this one. There's two pieces of it that you have to clean up. It's a lot larger to clean up. It doesn't go into a dishwasher. This was actually gonna go into a dishwash part. The metal piece, the stainless steel part. So hopefully you guys enjoy it and get something educational out of it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.